Alright, 8th graders, today we're going to talk about dividing bases with exponents. And again, the bases have to be the same. So 2 to the 4th divided by 2 to the 2nd. What that really looks like is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 all over 2 times 2. And we know that 2 divided by 2 is 1 whole. 2 divided by 2 is 1 whole. So what we'll end up with is 2 to the 2nd power, which is 4. So instead of multiplying, when we multiply we add exponents, when we divide we subtract exponents. So negative 4 to the 5th power divided by negative 4 to the 2nd power, we have 5 negative 4s multiplied by each other, all divided by 2 negative 4s. So 2 of them cancel out. We have 3 negative 4s left. So our answer is negative 4 to the 3rd power. 7 to the 7th divided by 7 to the 3rd. Our bases are the same, so we can subtract the exponents. We get 7 to the 4th. 8.5 to the 9th over 8.5 to the 6th. Our bases are both 8.5. 9 minus 6 is 3. 10 to the 8th over 10 to the 5th. Our bases are both 10, and they're the same, so we get 10 to the 3rd. And 3 to the 12th divided by 3 to the 4th. Bases are both 3. 12 minus 4 is 8. Make sure your exponent looks like an exponent. This kind of looks like 38 to me. I will count off if you don't have your exponent looking like a proper exponent. Negative 5 to the 7th over negative 5 to the 5th would leave us with negative 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. 11 to the 4th over 11 to the 1st would be 11 to the 3rd. So the pattern in the table when writing a rule for dividing two powers is a to the m divided by a to the n is a to the m minus n power. Alright, we have some practice problems. Dividing powers with the same base. So 2 to the 6th over 2 to the 4th. 4 of those 2's would cancel out, leaving us with 2 to the 2nd power. Negative 7 to the 9th over negative 7 to the 3rd leaves us with negative 7 to the 6th power. H to the 7th over h to the 6th leaves us with 1h. You can write that just h or h to the 1st. You don't have to write the first if you don't want to. 9 to the 7th over 9 to the 4th leaves us with 9 to the 3rd. And negative 8 to the 9th over negative 8 to the 4th would be negative 8 to the 5th power. Alright, when we have an expression and we have to simplify it, I like to do the tops first, and so multiply first and then divide later. So 3 to the 4th times 3 to the 2nd, I'm doing the top part of the denominator, the fraction first, the numerator. 3 to the 4th times 3 to the 2nd gives us 3 to the 6th over 3 to the 2nd, and then we get 3 to the 4th for our final answer. Here we have some things to do in the denominator. 2 to the 3rd times 2 to the 5th, we add our exponents, we get 8. 15 minus 8 is 7. Here we have something to do on the top and the bottom. So I would multiply first. 10 and 7 we add makes 17. 6 and 4 we add makes 10. And then 17 minus 10 is 7. And here we have d to the 14th over d to the 10th, leaving us with d to the 4th. Alright, on this last section you have some problems to try on your own. The last 3 are definitely the hardest. You combine what you can. So k times 3 to the 9th over 3 to the 5th would make 3 to the 4th. And so on and so forth. So here you would combine the y's and then the 2's. Here you would combine the a's and then the b's. Go ahead and try those 12 problems for homework. Have a great night.